Every great meal starts with flavor, and today I'm making my signature spice blend. Guys, this very spice is strictly organic, natural, and is a must-have in your kitchen because it gives every meal you make with it an authentic natural taste. Remember, we are here to show you how to cook and eat healthy. Here are the ingredients I'm using: bay leaves, fennel seeds, Ehuru, popularly known by so many people as calabash nutmeg, country onions, rosemary, and cumin. I simply take all the dry spices and grind them into a fine powder. You can use a blender, grinder, or mortar and pestle, whichever you have at home, but preferably a blender. If you've made it this far, you are clearly enjoying it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more kitchen moments. After grinding, I mix everything together into one smooth blend and keep it in an airtight jar. That way, it stays fresh and ready to use at any time. This spice works beautifully in stews, rice, pad, beef, chicken, fish, basically anything you can cook. Just a spoonful adds a burst of flavor and it surely elevates the taste of every meal you make with it. And now I've shown you how to make my signature spice blend. Would you try this in your kitchen? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes.